Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to cut and sew a top shirt for a 1-year-old child. 1 to 2 years can wear this. The measurement I'm going to use now, 1 year to 2 years can use this measurement I'm going to use. So I have 15.5 inches. 15.5 inches by 45 inches. This is 45 inches. After folding it to 2, I have 22.5 inches. So I have 15.5 inches by 22.5 inches. So I fold again into 4 now. So length is 18 inches. This is 18 inches. I'm going to add 1 inch to sew on the shoulder and to sew on the down part. Shoulder is 10 inches. Divided by 2 is 5 inches plus ½ inch to sew. Placing my tape on the shoulder, I measure 5.5 inches, and just this way. I'm going to cut here. So this is the armhole. So I'm going to cut front neck. So I measure 2.5 inches. Placing my tape on top here, I will measure 2.5 inches. Then I will measure from here 4 inches. Like that. So what I'm going to do is to join. I'll first notch the back here and notch the center. Then I will sew shoulder here and shoulder here. This is the neck. Before I will use bias to turn the neck, I will first sew the shoulder before turning the neck. So I'm going to cut the sleeve. Sleeve is 10 inches. So I'm going to place it here. So 10 inches is the measurement. This 10 inches, 10.5 inches. This 10.5 inches. I'm going to mark here. Then I will use the remaining one here to hem. Mark this way. Round sleeve is 8 inches. Divided by 2 is 4 inches. So this 4 inches plus 1 inch to sew. Going to cut here. I'll notch. So I'm going to join this one together. Then I will sew the shoulder, and I will show you how I'm going to turn the neckline. I'm done sewing the shoulder. This is the front neck. back, and I sew one sleeve. I'm going to sew. I'll measure 4 inches and sew here. Then after sewing, this is how it looks like. So this is the bias I'm going to use. I'm going to start from here, this place, round up to here. Depend on the side that is facing the button is going to face, if it's the right or left. But being that the top is for a baby boy, the button is going to face right. But if it's for girl, it's going to, the button will face left. To use this one now to sew all the way to this side, and I will sew this one here to put button here. So after doing that, I will join the 2 sides and sew the sleeve on the armhole. So that's just it. I'm done sewing. Thanks guys for watching. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. If you are new here, please subscribe and remember the notification bell. In that way, you'll be notified each time I upload a video. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. So I will see you in the next video.